I want to speak English, but I am so afraid. My friends laugh at my mistakes. I feel like I can never learn.
Do not be afraid. Mistakes are the path to success. Today, we start with the simple present.
Will it help me speak?
Yes, it is your foundation. By the end of this video, you will speak with joy. Maya, my dear, why do you look so sad?
I feel sad, Dad. My English is not good.
Why do you think your English is not good?
My friends laugh at me at school. They laugh when I speak.
Are you afraid of making mistakes, Maya?
Yes, I am afraid. I don't want to speak anymore.
Don't worry. Let's practice the simple present tense. It is easy.
Is it the foundation of English, Dad?
Yes, we use it to talk about our lives every day. We use it for our daily life. Tell me, what do you do every morning?
I don't know the words.
Just try. Start with I.
Okay. I wake up in the morning.
Excellent. I wake up early too. What is next?
I wash my face. And I brush my teeth.
Very good. This is your morning routine. What do you drink for breakfast?
I drink milk. I do not drink coffee.
Perfect. You used do not correctly.
This is simple, Dad. English is fun.
Yes, it is simple. Practice makes you strong.
I feel more confident now.
I am proud of you. Let's learn more. Now, Maya, we use this tense for facts, things that are always true.
Facts like what, Dad?
The sun rises in the east. This is a fact.
The water is very cold.
Correct. Water freezes at 0 degrees. That is another fact.
Oh, I understand. Simple present is for truth.
Look at the schedule. The train arrives at 10:00.
Is this also simple present?
Yes, we use it for a timetable or a schedule. What time does the train leave?
It leaves in 5 minutes. Let's go.
Well done, Maya. Perfect sentence.
Look, Dad. Cows eat grass. Is this a fact?
Yes, it is. Cows eat grass and they give us milk.
English is getting easier every minute.
I have a tip for you. I write in my diary every night
Why do you write a diary, Dad?
because writing helps me remember my English.
But I am still a bit shy to speak.
Then read aloud in your room. Read stories loudly.
Read aloud? Does it help my voice?
Yes, it makes you brave.
I go to school. I like music. I speak English.
You are doing great. Never mind the people who laugh. Do you want to buy a book?
Yes, I want a storybook in English.
Good. The library opens now. How do you feel now, Maya?
I feel proud, Dad. I am not afraid anymore.
I am proud of you too. Let's keep going. Now, Maya, let's practice questions. Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples. Do you like them too, Dad?
Yes, I like them. We use do you to ask questions. Do you want some broccoli?
No, I do not want broccoli. I do not like it.
You use the negative correctly. I do not.
Does he sell Swiss cheese, Dad?
Yes, he sells cheese, but he does not sell milk here.
Oh, I see. He sells cheese, but he does not sell milk. Dad, I feel shy when I see my friends. I do not want to speak.
Don't feel shy. Do they speak English perfectly? No. They make mistakes too.
The bread smells so good. Do you smell it?
Yes, it smells wonderful. The baker wakes up very early every day.
These flowers are beautiful. Do they grow in Switzerland?
Yes, they grow here in the summer. They do not grow in the winter. What time does the market close?
It closes at 5 o'clock. Do we have time to buy chocolate?
Yes, we have 10 minutes.
I love chocolate. Does everyone in Switzerland love chocolate?
Most people do. It is a fact. You asked many questions today, Maya. I feel proud.
I do not feel afraid now, Dad. English is easy.
That is the right spirit. You learn fast because you practice.
I practice every day. I want to be the best.
Maya, it is time. Go inside and buy a postcard alone.
Alone? But Dad, what if the man does not understand me?
He understands simple English. You are ready!
Hello? Do you sell postcards here?
Yes, I do. They are right here. Which one do you want?
I want this one with the mountain. How much does it cost?
It costs 2 francs. Do you need a stamp too?
No, I do not need a stamp today. Thank you.
You speak English very well.
Thank you. I practice every day with my dad. Dad, I did it! He understands me. He says I speak well.
I knew it! I feel so proud of you, Maya.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, my dear. Look, your friends are there. Do you want to say hello?
Yes. I do not feel afraid anymore. I want to speak with them.
Remember, Maya, simple present is for habits, facts, and schedules.
Yes. I wake up, habit. The sun shines, fact. The train leaves, schedule. To my friends watching, do not be afraid. Everyone makes mistakes.
Just keep speaking. Practice makes you perfect. I believe in you. Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I believe. Goodbye, everyone.
See you in the next lesson. Subscribe for more English stories. Practice simple present today.